Have you faced a problem with your Safari browser where Safari browser couldn't open the page because the server stopped responding after the iOS 17 update? Don't panic. In today's video, I will show you how you can solve this Safari browser not opening problem after the recent update. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that you don't have any internet issues. You can also check by the following process. Open the browser, search any website or YouTube, and check if it's opening or keeps loading. To troubleshoot your internet connection by the next solution. To troubleshoot your internet connection, try the next solution. Solution 1. Turn on and then turn off airplane mode. Slide down, turn on airplane mode, and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back off. Solution 2. Switch your internet connection. Slide down. If you're using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and check your problem. Solution 3. Clear the Safari browser data and cookies. Open Settings, find the Safari browser, tap on it, scroll down, tap on Advanced. After that, tap on the website data. And now here you can see the Remove All Website Data option. Tap on it, and again tap on Remove Now. After that, your data and cookies will be cleared. Solution 4. Try to restart network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure, by resetting network settings, your phone network settings will be default. So you should remember your password as well. So, this is how you can solve your Safari browser cannot open page problem. If you still have any issues, please write them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.